Are you tired of struggling to find an effective way to earn money online? Do you dream of passive income, but can't find a system that works without demanding significant investment or time? Introducing Skoolify, the game-changing platform that's transforming the way people earn online. With the Skoolify, you can profit from one of the fastest-growing and most engaging marketing tools without running your own school or even paying for an account. Yes, you heard that right. In just 3 weeks, Skoolify has skyrocketed from being one of the top 8,000 schools to breaking into the top 100. This rapid ascent is a testament to our unique approach and the effectiveness of our system. Unlike traditional affiliate programs, Skoolify offers a revolutionary system that allows you to earn commissions by driving traffic to our school. And the best part? No upfront costs and no need to manage your own school.
I was skeptical at first, but Skoolify has completely changed my financial future. The training is straightforward, and the community support is incredible.
I started earning commissions within days. The traffic strategies are like nothing I've seen before. Skoolify is the real deal.
Here's how it works. Skoolify provides comprehensive training on generating free traffic. These are innovative strategies with a 97% engagement rate, unheard of in the online marketing world. Plus, by joining Skoolify, you get access to higher commission rates than any other school affiliate program. And our supportive community is dedicated to helping you succeed every step of the way. Skoolify is more than just a platform. It's a community of like-minded individuals all working towards mutual success. You'll gain invaluable marketing knowledge and skills that can be applied to other ventures as well. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to join one of the top schools and start earning recurring commissions today. Click the link below to get instant access and transform your financial future with Skoolify. Click the link below and let's make things happen together. Your path to online success starts here.